be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ruff TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right. Now, as you can see, I have a box right there. All right. I'm in the car. I'm about to run these shoes right here to the post office. All right. So I'm doing an in-car review because these shoes are not actually mine. So I wanted to get them out as quick as I could. But these shoes are actually going to my brother. I won them from the sneakers app when they dropped like a week ago. I've seen a lot of people getting theirs already, but I'm just now getting mine. I just got mine late last night. So I wanted to show you them real quick before I ship them off to my brother. So let's go ahead and get into these. As you can see right there, this is that Nike box. Boom. Y'all can see that. You see how they come in. Try to do this one-handed. Bear with me. Go ahead and rip that. Am I able to rip it? Nope. Uh-oh. Nope. Fail. Hold on. Let me rip into it. I'll be right back. All right. So here we are. As you can see, Air Jordan 13 Retro. Colorway is black, true red, and white. All right. And I got these bad boys in a size 13. All right. Me and my brother, we both wear the same size shoes. Okay. So interchangeable 13, 13 and a half, 14. We both can wear those sizes. All right. So let's go ahead and get these out of the box. Boom. Typical Jordan 13 box. Nothing special here. Nothing different. Silver Jordan 13 box with the red Jumpman there. So let's go ahead and get into these. Boom. White paper. And left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. It's my first time seeing them too. Yes, sir. The playoff Jordan 13s. All right. Very nice shoe. Let's bring it over here. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. I'm in the old school. But here we are, man. Playoff 13s. All right. Very cool. You'll see the tongue with the yellow and the red Jumpman. Man, they gave this Jordan some booty cheeks. Look at the cheeks. Anyway, you got your yellow Jordan there. And underneath you will have, it should say, nope, they didn't have anything underneath there. Usually there's a 13 underneath the strap there, but there's nothing there. Materials feel good. Materials feel pretty good. You know what I mean? What do we got on the inside there? Do we got anything on the inside? Okay. It is a red Jumpman on the insole. Black insole, red Jumpman. Size tag on the back here. You see that's a size 13. All right. White midsole there. And you see your carbon fiber plates there. Black carbon fiber. I like the bottom of 13s. 13s are one of my favorite Jordan models. Top five Jordan model of all time to me. But I just knew that personally, even though I won these for myself, I'm not going to lie, I bought them for myself. But I knew that I wasn't going to wear these. So I was being realistic. And my brother wanted them. So go Big Blue. Go Big Blue. My brother wanted them. So I said, you know what? Let me give them to him. instead of just having a shoe that I know is going to sit in my collection and never be worn. I was not going to wear these. I'm not going to lie. But they are a nice shoe. Nice quality on these bad boys. You know what I mean? Typical Jordan 13 quality. Very nice shoe, man. Very nice shoe. As we look around the bottom of the shoe. Nice red, gray, white, and of course the Jumpman emblem there. All right, very nice, man. I'm not mad at these. These officially release next week, I want to say, but I got these when they released on the Shock Drop on sneakers. All right, so it's crazy because usually I don't hit on these random shock drops. I don't usually hit, but on this particular instance, I was able to hit. All right. But these are on their way to you, big bro. Hope you enjoy them. And that's going to do it for this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.